Hello, good day to you. It's travel tips time, and this story, you might not believe it, but I didn't believe it either, so I went to have a look and investigated it. But there is an opportunity for you if you're picking up or dropping off to park in Heathrow, any terminal, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, for free. Yes, it's true. I had to look it up, but this story I saw was in the My London online. It's a little known Heathrow Airport hack that lets you park for free. Now, obviously, the big drawback of parking at the short stay car parks is the cost of them. They are very, very expensive, and in order to get the convenience of parking right next to the airport terminal, you have to pay, and it's a lot of money. And if you imagine that your flight is delayed and you have to wait to pick up whoever or drop off whatever, then you can be paying up to £12.50. It is ridiculous, the prices. Even half an hour is £4.50. It's diabolical how they rip you off. But there is a way that you can do it, and you can park for up to 2 hours for free. Yes, you can. So how do you do that? It's very simple. And of course, I didn't believe it either, so I had to go and look it up. I looked it up by going over to the Heathrow long stay car park website, and lo and behold, there we go. It's in black and white, 0 to 2 hours free. Drive up prices, even the peak prices are 0 to 2 hours free. And it says there, the members of the public can use the long stay car park for up to 2 hours free of charge. The barrier will recognise your ticket or your registration number. So 2 hours are free, and of course there are ways to get from the car park to the terminal. So I don't know how many of you knew that, but I certainly didn't know it, and I will certainly consider doing that in the future, because I mean £12.50 for 2 hours is, yeah, a rip-off. The prices of the short-term car parks are at Heathrow will cost you £4.50. Between half an hour and an hour is £7.20, and between 1 and 2 hours, which obviously could happen because if the flight was delayed or they get people get stuck in border control, then it can cost £12.50 plus. And if you're doing that twice, going up there and coming back, then you have twice the amount of money. There are no street parking at Heathrow, nowhere around there. It's all W lines, and of course the pick up and drop off lines right outside the terminal are actually strictly no waiting. So no parking, no waiting, and police will tow you away if you're seen there. If you're wondering, obviously it's a little bit inconvenient because you have to get a bus from the car park. There's a shuttle bus running every 10 minutes. But there are other ways of travelling. If you don't want to go by car to Heathrow Airport, you can, of course, go by bus, coach or TfL rail. And of course, Heathrow Express that goes to and from Paddington will probably be the least quickest way when Crossrail is finally in service, because Heathrow will be serviced by Crossrail. Heathrow has 3 London Underground stations on the Piccadilly line and offers a chauffeur-driven electric car taxi service. So there you go. I hope that was useful for you. I hope that travel tip was beneficial, and do feel free to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again for another travel tip very soon.